Good evening, everybody. Uh, I extend a warm welcome to you all to join Radhika Satish and her students in their 2014 Annual Day celebrations here at Sanatana Dharma Kendra. So music, as we all know, transcends all languages and barriers. It is present everywhere. We just have to take a moment to pause and we will notice that music is present in everything around us. Maybe it's like in the twittering birds early in this morning, or the buzz of a bee on a lazy afternoon, the ticking of a clock, the pitter-patter sound of a rain, or in the sweet notes coming from little children. And when these children put in a lot of hours of training and effort to learn the art, then what we hear is definitely a treat to our ears. And it is this treat that we are going to enjoy today evening. So once again, a warm welcome. Before we start this evening's program, I would like to introduce their guru, Radhika Satish. Radhika Satish is a trained classical singer and has learned music from several gurus from a young age. She is an alumnus of Kalasagara Music School, Chennai. She also underwent training in Hindustani music for a few years from renowned artist Srimati Devyani Shetty and is also trained in Nada Kriya Yoga from Sri Ashok Kumar of Sadhana School of Celestial Music, Seattle. Nada Kriya Yoga uses Indian shlokas and lot of breathing techniques for voice culture and training. She has a great passion for arts and has performed at various music events here in Bay Area as well as in India. Radhika uses an integrated approach of combining the voice training techniques with traditional classical lessons and has been teaching the kids and adults here in Bay Area for the past few years. And today, accompanying the kids are Samir Mandalika on tabla, Lakshmana Rao on harmonium, and Revati on talam. Samir Mandalika is an ardent student of music. He has learned tabla for several years under the tutelage of Ustad Surinder Manji, a senior disciple of Ustad Allah Rakha. He has accompanied many artists in the Bay Area and gave his solo recital in the summer of 2008. In addition, he learned the Western classical piano in his grade school and continues to pursue it by playing it in various shows. Furthermore, Samir also plays harmonium and enjoys accompanying Sai bhajans. Lakshmana Rao is a singer and a self-taught harmonium and keyboard artist. He has also composed many bhajans and devotional songs. He still accompanies eminent artists on stage at various concerts in India. He firmly believes that music is divine and true music originates from soul, and his presence here in the US has been a great value addition to the students of the music school. Revati is a singer and a music enthusiast. She has a great passion for classical and bhajan songs. We are very happy to have her on the talam. Let's begin today's program. So we have our first group of students, Bhavani, Sri Lakshmi, Aishwarya and Vishodhan on stage. Since it's a tradition in India to begin any important function or task by offering obeisance to Lord Ganesha, the remover of all obstacles, and to one's guru, these kids will begin this evening's program with an invocation song on Lord Ganesha, Gajavadana Beduve, a Purandara Dasa Kriti in Hamsadvani Raga, followed by a Tamil bhajan on Jagat Guru Lord Krishna set in Hamsa Nandi Raga.